Hi everyone, am I audible? Am I audible everyone? Could you please confirm it? Am I audible and visible? Hello charms, how are you? I hope everyone is doing well today. Let me know. Yes, I can see a few messages in the chat box here. An academy is the best platform in the world. Yes, Priya. Thank you so much for letting me know. Hi. Yes, Atul. Yes, very good. Atul Rajput. Then Sweetie. Hi, Sweetie. Yes, very good. Ajay. Very good evening. Sadhana. Very good. How are you? Soumya Shukla. Kavyansh. Very good. Wonderful. Very good. Sadhana. Soumya Shukla. Hi. Voice is low. Am I audible? Am I audible now? Am I audible, Kaira? Am I audible and visible? Could you please confirm it once? Am I audible and visible? Is the voice okay for you? Am I audible? Amrita. Okay, sweetie. Okay, sweetie Khan's name is Amrita. Okay, Amrita. Thank you so much for letting me know. Yes. Okay. So could you please let me know, students, am I audible and visible? Are you facing any issues? Aditya Narayan Singh, very good. How are you? Ajay, am I audible? Am I visible? Properly audible and visible. Okay, thank you so much. I mean, amazing to see a lot of wonderful messages here. You're audible and visible. Okay, Soumya. Okay, Aditya, Kaira. Okay, thank you so much. So how was your day? How was your day so far? I hope everyone is doing well. Right? Let me know how was the day so far. Yes. And I want to tell you an important thing basically. So today Amrita, Sweetie Khan has actually requested to make class 8 session today itself. Okay. So that is why we have revised the schedule so that you can just make utilized for your exams. Okay. That is why we have revised it. Correct? Yes, we will be talking about 6 chapters today. Don't worry, okay? We have mixed all the questions together so that you can easily understand what the different types of questions will be coming to your exams. Okay, so these are going to be something very similar to sure shot questions. That means you can expect these questions in your exams for sure. Okay, so once you learn all these questions, you will be thorough enough for the exam. Right? Okay, you had my Hindi exam today. How was it, Ajay? How was it? Yes, okay. So this is the session that has been revised for Amrita because Amrita has requested it. So similarly, you can also request for certain kinds of sessions that you actually need. So based on that, we are actually happy here to accept your request. At the same time, we are happy to provide these kind of amazing sessions for you, right? Backside voice coming in this video. Okay, so what about other students? What about other charms? Let me know. Any background noises which is coming up? Any background noises coming up? Let me know. Atul is saying that there is a backside voice which is coming right now. So can anybody tell me? Students, let me know. Let me know please. The day was so good. Okay. So students, let me know if you find any kind of technical issues or if you find any kind of audibility problems. You can let me know. I will figure it out and resolve it for you. Okay? Are you all ready? If you're ready, just give me a thumbs up then. I need all my charms to be active throughout the session. Are you all ready? Yes. Okay. So had your snacks, students? Had your snacks? Low voice. Okay. So I hope there is a problem here, so let me reconnect it for you. Okay, so don't worry. Is it fine now? Is it fine now? Am I audible and visible now? Am I audible and visible? Yes. Very good. Thank you so much. Oh my God, I can't believe how many messages which are coming right now. So you can also share with your friends. Okay, so we are here to help you out. You can just be beneficial with these kind of most expected question series so that you can just score 100%. Okay, so you can simply share it with your friends so that they can also be beneficial from it. Okay, the day was so good. Kavyansh is saying that the day was really nice. Okay, very good. Okay, great. So let's get started. So have you all done with your snacks, students? What did you all have today? Let me know. What did you all have today? Oh my God. I can't see that there is a devil kind of emoji from Aditya Narayan. What happened to you? Let me know. If you have any kind of issues, do let me know. I will resolve it for you. Okay? Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Great, great, great. Let's get started. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Okay. Amrita, check your device. Yes, you can simply check your device as well. You can reconnect it. Okay? You can just rejoin the session. That is also fine. Yes. Okay. So I have a small question for you. Which is the most difficult subject? Maths or science or any other languages? Which is the most difficult one for you? Let me know. Oh, Kaira is saying that. Golgappas have been eaten. Okay, great. Super. What about others? Cheen tapak dum dum. Is it so? Atul. Atul, yes, yes, yes. We are ready. Okay. So let me know which is the most difficult subject. Most difficult one. Maths or science or any other problems. Aditya Narayan is saying you can simply rejoin the session once again. Okay. Got it? You can simply rejoin the session once again so that all the issues will be resolved. Maths. Okay. So maths is always a difficult subject for you. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so that is why we have some amazing classes. So this will make your classes so easy. This will make your studies so easy. You can score 100%, so nothing to worry about. Okay, please start. Okay, very good. Well, we are going to start now. Sanskrit. Okay, so Amrita is saying that it's Sanskrit. Moyo. Okay, Boop Singh is saying that no. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, so can you please tell me what's my name? What's my name? What's my name? Any information regarding that? You are very familiar with my name, I guess. No idea. Okay, so let me tell you. Max, don't worry. Okay, so if you find any kind of difficulties, that is what I told you, you can definitely subscribe to the channel. You can like it, you can share it, you can comment it. At the same time, be notified with the session details and so that your exams will be so easy. So let's get started. So my name is Aishwarya Sindhu Ramachandran and I will be a science educator today. And we will be having an amazing session. And this is nothing but the most expected question series. Are you all ready? Yes. Okay, I will teach everyone. Shubhanshu, very good. Superb. Okay, so Aishwarya, yes, my name is Aishwarya. You can call me Aishwarya, ma'am. Yes. Okay, great. Yes. It's not Aishwarya Rai. It's not Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. It's nothing but Aishwarya Sindhu. Okay, my name is Aishwarya Sindhu Ramachandran. That's my name. Okay, so shall we start? So please have a notebook and a pen along with you. You can write down the important points as we are going to discuss multiple concepts today. And if you find any kind of difficulties with my language, do let me know. I will paste down and I will make you understand how much ever is possible. I will try my best to do that. Okay. So very long name. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yes. So now we are moving towards the first part of it. So we are going to target the sample paper 1. So I have made 2 sample papers for you. Okay, 2 sample papers. So we are going to start with the sample paper 1. Okay, this has a set of questions and these are very important. Okay, so believe me, these are extremely important and you may expect these questions in your exams for sure. Okay, that's the part. That's how we have made these kind of sessions. Okay. मैम आपकी ज़रूरत नहीं, मैंने next topic से preparation कर ली है. Okay. So what about you, Shubhanshu? So we will try our best. Okay. So we will actually try our best to make you understand so that you will not find any kind of difficulties in between. Okay. So Jayesh, please try to be a little more active in the session. Try to be participative. We have a lot of questions coming today. So these are going to be something similar to sure shot questions or important questions. You can expect more of these questions in your exams. Shall we start? Shall we start? Yes. So here we can see that this is going to be a 1-mark question. So whenever you see a question, the first most thing that you need to understand is nothing but the mark. Okay. So you need to look at the marking first. That's a very important one. Okay. So this is going to be a 1-mark question. So you need to get the answer from these 4 options. That's a question. So this is kind of a MCQ. Okay. Multiple choice question. Are you ready? Yes. So let me change the color once. Look at it. here you can see that which one represents the correct order of reproduction. So this question is related to reproduction. Okay, so we need to look at the keywords. So reproduction is a keyword here. Okay, so please try to answer the question. Is it A or B or C or D? Okay, you can simply look at the options and let me know which is the right answer. Please, so that I will explain to you. Please let me know. Students, you can definitely score good marks. Okay, there is nothing to worry about your exams. That is what the reason we have made these kind of sessions. So please try to participate in the session. I will try my best to make you understand. I will try all the type of questions here, okay, to make you understand. Yes, very good. Ajay, very good. Atul, very good. Then Saumya, very good. Very good. Kavyansh, very well done. Well done. What about others? Everyone, please answer. I kindly request everyone to be active in the session. Let it be wrong. No issues. I will try my best to make you understand. I will correct it for you. Okay, even if you go wrong, no issues. Simply find out the answer. Very good. So, shall we find out? Okay. So, what is meant by reproduction? What is meant by that? Giving birth to young ones. For example, if there is a father and if there is a mother, what they do, they will actually undergo a process and the mother will get fertilized and therefore baby will be coming out. Correct? Yes. So this is nothing but the process of reproduction, giving birth to young ones. Okay. So parents will be able to reproduce. They will be able to produce their young ones. This is called reproduction. But this reproduction has various steps. What are they? It is starting from fertilization. Okay, so now we have to talk about fertilization. So what is meant by fertilization? Fertilization is nothing but fusion. Okay, joining of male gamete and female gamete. What is male gamete? It is a male sex cell. Similarly, female gamete is the female sex cell. So once they are fused together, the fertilization occurs. Got it? Okay, so this chapter is not coming in my exam, so I don't study this chapter. It's okay, we have combinations of chapters here, so don't worry at all. Okay, so now look at it. You can see that fertilization is a place where the process actually starts. Then how it is going to be? Oh, that's what the question. So let's see how it is possible. So fertilization is the first step. Okay, once the fertilization occurred, what will be formed? What will be the next one? What will be formed? Once the fertilization occurs, zygote will be formed. Okay, zygote will be formed. Okay, so this zygote has to undergo multiple division, right? Zygote is very small. It's very tiny. It has only one cell. So it has to undergo multiple divisions so that the number of cells will be increased. It becomes an embryo. Okay, zygote, then embryo. Then finally that embryo needs to come out, right? So before that it has to grow and mature inside mother's womb. Okay, so this is the process. So it is going to be a fetus then. Got it? So now what we are going to learn? Fertilization. So next one should be zygote. Next one should be embryo. So this is fetus here. So this is not the one. This is wrong. Okay. So this is actually wrong here. So this is not the answer. Similarly, fertilization. Next one should be embryo. Is it so? Yes. No, it should be zygote. So this is also wrong. Look at it. The order is wrong. So this one also goes wrong. Clear? Similarly, fertilization. Again, it is coming embryo. It should be zygote here. So the order is again wrong. And what about the last one? Fertilization, then zygote, then embryo, then finally fetus. So this is the right answer. D is the right answer. Clear? What is reproduced? Reproduced young ones here. Okay? There are parents. So the parents have gametes. Gametes fuse together to form the zygote. Zygote becomes embryo. Embryo becomes fetus. So this is what they reproduce. Okay? Reproduction means nothing but giving birth to young ones, producing young ones. Okay, for example, your father and mother have a child like you. So, child is nothing but the reproduced product from your parents. Got it? Clear? Virat Kohli, my name is Aishwarya. Aishwarya Sindhu Ramachandran, that's my name. Okay, what is the meaning of games? It's not games, it is gamete. Okay, I will write it for you. Gametes. Okay, these are nothing but gametes. Oops, sorry. Let me change. Okay. Okay, these are called gametes. I hope you're clear. Any doubts? Any doubts, students? If you find any kind of doubts, do let me know. I'm not able to see the messages. That is what the reason I came out. So what is it? I was right. What is mean by? What is mean by? Fertilization. Okay. So fertilization is nothing but the fusion of male gamete and female gamete. Okay. This is nothing but the gametes. Gametes are sex cells. Okay. We have sex cells in our body. Males have male sex cells. Similarly, females have female sex cells. These are known as gametes. Okay. So one male sex cell zygote. This is called fertilization. Clear? What we will pronounce gens? No, this is gametes. Okay, these are gametes. Yes. Okay, very good, students. A lot of answers were there. Very good. Ma'am, can you please repeat fertilization? Sure. I will repeat it for you. So, parents, okay, our parents, males and females are there. Correct? So, males can produce male sex cells or male gametes. Okay? Similarly, females can produce female sex cells or female gametes. Got it? So, once they fuse together, it becomes zygote. Okay? A single-celled zygote will be formed. This process can be called it as fertilization. Clear? Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, students. I can see a lot of wonderful messages. Wonderful. So, what is the right answer? D is the right answer. Okay. So, I hope everyone is clear. Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? If you have any kind of doubts, do let me know. Okay. So, I hope you're clear. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Shall we move on? Okay. So, if you pass this particular question, you will get 1 mark so easily. Got it? So, that is how the reason I have made these kind of questions. So, please make sure that you are using these questions and you will be able to understand. Therefore, you will be able to get good marks in your exams. Got it? Okay. So, now look at this one. Match the following. Your most liked part of the session. Shall we? Shall we? Okay. So, now look at it. Plowing. This is not pluffing. Okay. People usually pronounce it as pluffing. It's not pluffing. It is plowing. Okay. Plow. So, plowing is the preparation of soil. We know that what are the different steps included in the agricultural practices. Right. So, plowing is the first step. What is meant by plowing? Can anybody tell me what is meant by plowing? Please let me know. What is meant by plowing? Please. Plowing. What is meant by plowing? Preparation of soil, right? Preparation. So, before making the seed into the soil, what we need to do? We need to prepare the soil. Correct? We need to make it prepared, well prepared. Okay. So, that preparation can be called it as loosening or loosening of soil. Can also be called it as plowing. So, we are loosening the soil. We are preparing the soil for the seed to come. Got it? Yes. So, plowing is nothing but the what? Where we have to go for? Where we have to match? Soil preparation. Am I right? Am I right or not? Yes. Loosening and turning of soil. Wonderful. Very good, Amrita. Very good, Kavyansh. Very good, Ajay. Wonderful. I need all my students to be active like this. These are very simple and easy questions. So, you can quickly get the answers. Look at the question. This is going to be a 3-mark question. So, you can easily find out 3 marks here. Correct? Yes. So, plowing is the soil preparation. What about the next one? Sowing. Sowing means we are inserting the seeds into the soil. Correct. We have prepared soil and inside the soil we are going to keep the seeds for the further maturement. Correct. Insertion of seeds. Very good. So the sowing is going to be insertion of seeds for the further development of the plant. Correct. For the further development of the seed, we are going to put the seed into the soil. So that process can be called it as sowing. Clear? Yes, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Sadhana, wonderful Adul, wonderful, very good Sarthak. Yes, you can also share it with your friends so that they will also get benefited with these kind of sessions. Okay, so shall we move on? Shall we move on? Yes, so now look at this one, irrigation. So what is meant by irrigation? Irrigation, what is that? Irrigation, irrigation. You might have heard about this term multiple times in your life, right? Irrigation, what is that? Yes, exactly, water supply. If plants need to grow, we need to supply water. Correct. If plants need to grow, we need to supply water. So supply of water can be called it as irrigation. Okay. So irrigation needs to be matched with sprinkler system, because sprinkler system is nothing but the uniform distribution of water through sprinklers, right? So this is how we need to connect, okay? Sprinkler system, which is nothing but a system used for the supply of water. So equal distribution of water will be done. Got it? Yes, very good, very good, very good. So now look at this one, adding nutrients, adding nutrients. So what is the next one? Adding nutrients. If the plants need to grow, they need nutrients, right? If we need to grow, we need to get nutrients, right? Through food. Similarly, the plants also need nutrients to grow. So what are the different types of nutrients can be added? Let me know. Yes, exactly, compost. Very good. It's nothing but the compost. So compost can give nutrients to the soil. Therefore, plants can absorb it and use it. Clear? Any doubts? Okay, so I got a doubt from here. What is the height of the male reproductive system? So this depends upon the body part of the man itself. Okay, this completely depends on the physiology of the person. Got it? And it can be different from one person to another. Clear? Okay, yes. So now I have got one more doubt. Okay, what is the doubt, Aditya? You can let me know. Ma'am, what is this chapter name? Crop production and management. This question is basically from crop production and management. Got it? Aditya Narayan, this question has been answered already. The height of the male reproductive system completely depends on the physiology of the person. This can be different from one person to another. Got it? This cannot be equal with everyone. This can be different from one person to another. Okay? Yes. So shall we move on? Shall we move on? Yes. Storage. Next one is going to be storage. So storage has to be connected with granaries. Okay, so storage must be connected with granaries. Why? Because granaries are nothing but the places where we store the grains right after the harvest. Right? Am I right or not? Yes. So Aditya, this chapter is related to crop production and management. Okay, the very first chapter. Crop production and management. Yes, yes, exactly. And what about harvest? Harvest. Yes, exactly. So if you need to harvest, you need to use a tool. Correct. A tool must be used to cut down the crops. So that's nothing but the sickle. You might have seen a sickle like this. Okay, this is nothing but a sickle, which is nothing but a tool that can be used to cut down the matured crops. I hope everyone is clear. Okay, I can see Preksha here. Very good, Preksha. Welcome back. Antima, very good. Welcome to the session. Please try to be participative in the part. Everyone. Sarthak, very good, very good, very good. Sadhana, Adul, Aditya, Amrita, very good. Wonderful, wonderful students. I think you are able to get the answers really well, right? Okay, so if you are able to cross all these answers, you are thorough enough with the chapter so that you will be able to get good marks in your exams. Okay, shall we move on? So now you got 3 marks, right? Am I right? Yes, I hope everyone is clear with this question. Shall we move on? Yes. And now look at this one. Again, a match the following. So here we are going to connect the traditional method and the modern method. And this is also related to the chapter crop production and management. Okay. So shall we find out? Shall we find out the question? Let me know. Yes. The first one is again, it's not pluff, okay? So people do mispronounce it as pluff. It's not pluff, it is plow, okay? How to pronounce it? It's nothing but plow. Okay, so what is meant by plow? Plow is a tool that can be used to loosen the soil, right? It is mainly used for the soil preparation. Am I right? Yes. So now look at this one, plow. So plow is nothing but the traditional one that is used for plowing. But what is the modern method used here? Please find it out. Please find it out. Please let me know. Please. Aditya, I will come to your doubt once we finish with this question. Yes. Plow is nothing but the tool can be used to prepare the soil. We need to loosen the soil, right? So plow is the traditional one, whereas the cultivator is the modern one. Okay, cultivator is nothing but the machine which can be attached to a tractor to make this plowing done in a very short span of time. Okay, so in today's life, nobody has time. So everything is just happening on machines, right? So cultivator is the part that can be connected with the modern method. Clear? Yes, Soumya, we have a lot of polls coming up. So you can participate in the polls too, okay? So that you will be able to understand the things really well. We have polls today. We have amazing polls today. Don't worry. Okay? Yes. What about the next one? Seed funnel. Seed funnel. So traditionally we use seed funnels for what? For inserting the seeds into the soil. We have soil. If you want to keep the seeds into the soil, then you have to use seed funnel. Okay, this was a traditional method used. What about the modern method of it? Seed drill. Very good. So, my class is 6 p.m. in Unacademy Avengers. You can definitely make use of these kind of sessions. I kindly request everyone not to leave the session if you can have these kind of sessions really well. Because if you have exams, please don't miss it. Okay, that's what my suggestion is. Okay, if you have exams coming up, please make utilized of these sessions because these sessions have a lot of amazing questions that can be sure shot in your exams. Okay, so please try to understand it. Okay, so for seed funnel can be connected with seed drill. So these days we are using seed drills for the insertion of seeds into the soil, right? Yes. Shall we move on? What about the moat system? Moat system. Can anybody tell me? Moat system. Yes, you can draw water from the well using different kinds of pulley systems, right? Yes. So this is nothing but the moat system. So moat system is a traditional one. What about the modern one? Moat system has to be connected with sprinkler system, right? So in today's world, we are using sprinkler system for the irrigation to the supply of water. Plants need water to grow. So traditionally, we used moat system, whereas sprinkler system is presently used. Clear? Any doubts, students? Yes. You can also moat system. Yes. Atul, you're right. Yes. Shall we move on? Yes, we had chain systems also, okay? Chain pump system that was also used traditionally. Clear? Okay, so now the next one is going to be manure. So manure is going to provide a lot of nutrients to the soil for the plants to grow. So this has to be connected with, what is the modern method? Yes, manure has to be connected with NPK, correct? Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, it's a fertilizer. So earlier we used these kind of manure for providing the nutrients into the soil, but today's life we have no time, so we are not actually going to wait for a long time to get the result. So nowadays we are using NPK, but that's not good for a long run because these are having a lot of chemicals. So these chemicals are basically not good for our health. Okay, but still we are using NPK these days. These are going to provide nutrients to the soil and also to the plants so that they can just absorb it very well. Got it? Yes, very good. What about the next one? Manual weed removal. So weeds. What are weeds? What are weeds? What are weeds, students? I need all my students to answer this question. What are weeds? You might have heard about these weeds a lot of times, right? What are weeds? Unnecessary plants, okay? There will be some unnecessary plants growing in between the crops. So these are known as weeds, okay? So traditionally we used to collect and pick it out with the help of our hands itself, manual hand picking, okay? This was done. But nowadays we have no time, so we are using certain chemicals to remove all these unnecessary plants from the crop field. So these are known as weedicides. So this has to be connected with weedicides. Clear? Any doubts? Okay. Unwanted plant. Very good, Soumya. Very good, Atul. Very good, Amrita. Ishita, welcome to the session. So try to be active in the session. We are having a lot of amazing, sure, short, most expected question. Okay, so please try to be active in the session. Okay, so now sickle. So sickle is the tool used to cut the matured crops. Correct. So these were traditionally used. But what about the modern method? Exactly, harvesters. Okay, so harvesters are used. Okay, so harvesters are nothing but the modern machines that can be used to harvest the crops. Clear? Mode system. It's not mode system, Kavyansh. It's mode system. M-O-A-T. Mode system. Clear? Yes, wonderful. Have you all liked the question? So again, you got 3 marks. So easy for us to score 3 marks here, right? Yes, exactly. Very good. Shall we move on? Okay. So now look at this one. So this is going to be a 1 mark question again. Look at it. It's going to be a 1 mark question. So here you can see that insect repellent is made out of insect repellent. So we have different options given here. Coal gas, coal tar, coke and petrol. So let me know which is the right answer. From which product we are making insect repellents? Yes. Let me know. Let it be wrong. Okay, let it be wrong. No issues. I will help you out. Okay, you can simply give the answers here. So I kindly request everyone to give your answers here. Let it be wrong. No issues at all. You can try your best. Petrol. Okay. Yes, Asrar, how are you? I hope you're doing well today. So please be participative in the session. Ishita is also saying petrol. Atul is saying petrol. Going to find out the answer. Is it coal gas? No, coal gas is not the one. What about coke? This is not coke too. What about petrol? So petrol is a very common answer I have got in the chat box. It's not petrol too, it's coal tar. Okay, so it's okay. Okay, if it is wrong, now you have learnt what is the right answer. So now you will never forget it. Okay, it's not petrol, it's coal tar. So from coal tar, we are actually making these kind of insect repellents. Okay, naphthalene bowls can be a great example for it. Clear? Anyway, nice try. Very good students. Wonderful. Okay, I really liked your energy. Shall we move on? Yes. So now you got the right answer, right? So you will get 1 mark for this. Okay? Done? Yes, sickle is a harvester. Sickle is nothing but a tool that people were used for harvesting. Traditionally, Kavyansh, harvesters are modern machines that can be used for harvesting the crops. That's the basic difference. Okay, so I hope you're clear. Any doubts? And students, if you find any kind of difficulties with any of the questions here, do let me know. I will help you out. Clear? Okay, so now look at this one. Oh, your favorite part. Fill in the blanks. Very simple one. So look at it. The separation of grains from stalk by beating on a hard surface is called what? Please answer. It's your time. Time starts now. Please let me know what is the right answer. We are separating grains from stalk. So stalk is nothing but the place where the tiny grains are there. Okay, so let this be the stalk and this is a place where the tiny grains are arranged. So now I have to separate these grains from the stalk. So there is a separation method will be used for it. So what is that? Let me know. Let it be wrong. No issues. Okay, it's not winnowing. Is it winnowing? No, this is threshing. Okay, this is threshing. Please write it down. This is threshing. Winnowing is different. I will let you know what is winnowing exactly. So threshing is nothing but I'm taking a grain stalk like this and I'm beating it on a hard surface. So grains will be separated out of the stalk. This is called threshing. Okay? Got it. Everybody please try. Please try, students. Please try. It's okay. Okay, if it is wrong, it's fine. Okay, I will correct it for you. So you can simply find it out. Yes. What about the next one? The process of removal of undesirable plants from the crop field. So we have a crop field and we are going to remove all the undesirable plants. We don't want these plants. We are going to pluck it out. So what kind of plants are these? So this process has a very specific name. Let me know. There are some unnecessary plants growing in the field. Okay, we don't want that plants. So we are going to take it out. So this process has a very specific name. Very good. Wonderful. Wonderful, Asra. Wonderful, Ishita. Wonderful, Amrita. Very good. So what is it? It's nothing but weeding. Okay, the removal of undesired plants from the crop field can be called it as weeding. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Wonderful. Okay. So shall we move on? Shall we move on? Okay. Next one. The process of separation of grains and husk with the help of wind. Look at the question here. The question has changed. Separation of grains and its husk. What is meant by husk? The outer cover of the grain. So let this be the grain. The grain has a cover. Correct? So this cover can be called it as husk. We need to separate the husk and the grain using wind. So this has a very specific name. This process has a very specific name. And we are using the help of wind. We are using with the help of wind here. So what is the process? Yes, Nawab, Ram Ram everyone, yes. Yes, 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 you can also be participating in the session. Nawab, welcome back. And you can definitely be participating in this. I kindly request everyone to be extremely active, okay? Let it be wrong, okay? I will help you out. I'm here to help you out. Oh, okay, what is the one? Exactly, very good, winnowing, very good Amrita, very good Asrar, very good Ishita, welcome back students. I can see a few students have joined right now. I kindly request everyone to be very active and participative in the session. So what is the part? It's nothing but winnowing. So this is winnowing. Winnowing is related with wind. So based on the difference in weight, we are separating them. Okay, grains have more weight. Okay, and husk has very less weight. So based on the weight difference, with the help of wind, we are separating them. So it is winnowing. Clear? Any doubts? Channel name, Budding Charms Nawab, that's the channel name. Okay, yes. Shall we move on to the next one? Something is a management and care of farm animals for milk, egg or meat. So sometimes we feel so hungry, right? So by the time we need to go for some eggs or for some omelets or for some milk, right? So where do we get this from? It's from animals, purely from cattle. Correct. And we get eggs from hens. Correct. We get chicken also from hens. Correct. Yes. But the management of taking care of these kind of animals can be called it as? Okay. Soumya answered. Very good. Amrita answered. Asrar answered. Wonderful. What is the right answer? What about others? Everyone? What about the other answers? Exactly. It's nothing but animal husbandry. Okay? Animal husbandry. You are right. So I'm writing it here. Animal husbandry. Okay, it's not husband. Okay, it's husbandry. Got it? Okay, it is not husband, it is husbandry. Okay. Yes, Kedat. Hi. Kedat Ahmad, how are you? I hope you're doing well today. Okay, Shita. Okay, Sadhana. Kavyansh, very good. Nice try, students. Nice try. Very good. Okay, that's okay, Kedat Ahmad. That's fine. Okay, anyway, you have joined, right? That's itself a great thing. Okay, I'm so happy for you. Got it? Shall we move on? Gaurav, welcome back to the session. Welcome back. I hope you're doing well today. Gaurav, please be participating in the session. My name is Aishwarya Sindhu Ramachandran and I am your science educator today. If you find any kind of doubts in between, do let me know. Kavyansh, then Sadhana. I can see a lot of wonderful students have joined right now. Very good students, very good. Okay, keep it up. Okay, somebody is asking my name. My name is Aishwarya. My name is Aishwarya Sindhu Ramachandran. That's my name. Okay? Yes. Okay, shall we move on? It's a 4-mark question. Look at it. So, we got 4 marks. Okay? So, once we are able to get all the answers, we'll get simply 4 marks here itself. Okay? So, it's very easy to find out the answers. Shall we move on? Shall we move on? Yes. So, now we are moving towards next one. Look at this one. Oh, this is going to be a super simple question. A 1-mark one. Look at it. It's going to be a 1-mark question again. So, look at it. So, a group of specialized cells. Okay. Group of specialized cells in multicellular organisms. Okay. So, when you take your own classroom, okay, a lot of students are there. Okay. So, that is what the reason we call it as a single class. Correct. Similarly, we are actually grouping the cells, similar kind of cells. So, there is a name for that. What is it? Netik? Yes, how are you? I hope you are doing well today. So, please be active in the session. Let me know. Kedat Ahmad answered, Ishita answered, Asrar answered. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Indian guy. Hello, 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 Indian guy. Rohan, how are you? I hope you are doing well today. Welcome back to the session. Yes, yes, yes. We got the right answer, right? Is it embryo? No. So, what is embryo? Embryo is nothing but the what? Zygote undergo divisions to become an embryo, right? Zygote is single celled. When it undergoes a lot of divisions, a lot of cells are formed, it becomes an embryo. Correct. What about nephrons? Not nephrons too, right? It's not nephrons. What are nephrons? The unit of excretory system, right? Right or not? Nephrons. Yes, right? Yes, kidney cells. Kidney cells. So, nephrons is also not the answer. What about tissues? Group of cells can be called it as tissues, right? Yes, so tissue is right answer. What about glands? Glands can secrete certain kind of secretions. So, glands are not the answer at all. So, this is also not the right answer. Got it? Clear? Exactly, exactly, exactly. Very good, very good, very good. So, now you got 1 mark so easily, right? So, it's very easy to get these kind of marks. So, there is a very minute concentration which is very much needed for these kind of questions. Okay? Okay, yes. So, now we are moving towards the next one. Okay. Look at this one. Explain the process of formation of embryo. So, look at the question. This is going to be a 2-mark question. So, you make it descriptive kind of questions too. Okay. So, don't write the stories. Okay. That's what my request. So, whenever you get 2-mark question or 3-mark question or 4-mark question to describe something or to explain something, don't write Bahubali story. Don't write KGF story. Okay. Don't do that. Okay, so don't do the story part. Don't write the whole stories in the descriptions like 1 page. Don't write that. Okay, write the short points in a very crisp way. Got it? Anshu Charan. Hi, yes, Indian guy, maths paper. Okay, all the very best to you. All the very best to you. I am just telling you from hurt, my own hurt. Okay. So, all the very best to you and all the blessings to you. You can definitely get good marks. Okay? Yes. Okay. So, now I am going to tell you how to answer these kind of questions. So, whenever you get explain or whenever you get questions related to descriptive type of writing, don't write KGF stories. Don't write Bahubali stories. Okay? Don't write it in a whole page. Okay? Don't try to cover the whole page with writings. Don't do that. Okay, you have to simply write the very necessary points in 2 different paragraphs. Not paragraphs exactly, 2 points can be specified, very crisp. It should be very crisp, very short, very crisp, and all the points must be there. That's it. Clear? Shall we find out? So, this is not an optional question. Okay, Gaurav, please understand this is not an optional question. A, B are nothing but the 2 points of the same question. Okay, got it? These are not options. Okay, these are not options. These are not options. These are simply points. Okay, the 2 points of the question. Okay, or I can say that these are the answers. Both are answers only. These are not points. These are not options. These are points only. Okay, yes. So now look at this one. So here you can see that formation of embryo. So we need to write how the embryo is actually forming. Got it? That's what the question. So now look at this one. So here is the first statement. Fusion of sperm and egg to form zygote. This is a first statement. Okay. Fusion. Fusion means joining. Joining of sperm and egg. What is sperm? What is meant by sperm? Male reproductive cell. Okay. Male sex cell. Okay. Similarly, egg is nothing but the female sex cell. Female gamete. Clear? Okay. So we have a male gamete and we have a female gamete. These two join together. Then it becomes a single celled zygote. Clear? That's what the first point. Clear? Mom, but alpha is wrong. Where is alpha? Where is alpha? I did not write alpha anywhere. Okay, Kedatama, could you please specify that so that I will be able to understand it? Okay. So what about the next one? We got the zygote here. Then the zygote has to develop. Right. So the zygote undergoes multiple divisions. So if this is a zygote, zygote becomes 2, then it becomes 4, then it becomes 6, then it becomes 8. Similarly, a lot of cells will be formed. Clear? So tiny cells will be formed like this. Okay? And this is called embryo. Okay, this undergoes multiple divisions and become embryo. Clear? I hope you are clear. Are you clear? So this is happening in the part of uterus. Look at it. Zygote undergoes multiple divisions and move to uterus to become embryo. Clear? This is also in class 10. Yes, exactly. Yes. Ma'am, G, Mentimeter. Are you talking about Mendiquiz? So Mendiquiz will be happening in the coming week. So don't worry, we will be letting you know in the community post itself. Okay, shall we move on? Ishita, your hairs are so thick, silky and wavy. What is the reason? Okay, so I do take care of it. I eat really healthy food items. Okay, I don't eat a lot of junk foods. Okay, I drink a lot of water. I eat a lot of calcium rich food items. Okay, that is the reason why it is so thick, silky. Okay, yes, I hope you're clear. Shall we move on? Shall we move on? Okay, so now look at this one. Find the necessary condition for the coal formation. Again, look at it. It's going to be a 1-mark question. So here we are going to talk about coal formation. So this question is basically from coal and petroleum. Okay, this question is basically from coal and petroleum. Clear? Okay, so I got a question here. So 10th में पुरानी class में mashup है ज़्यादा details में. See, whatever the class details are, that will be posted through community post and also through the shorts. Okay, you can definitely get back to the channel, subscribe it, get notified so that you will not miss any of the information regarding the classes. We are actually concentrated for class 6 to 8. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. Everyone, please answer this question. So here we are going to talk about coal and petroleum, right? So coal and petroleum. So if coal and petroleum are fossil fuels, but here we are going to talk only about coal formation. We are not going to talk about petroleum now. Okay, we are going to talk about coal only now. So how coal is formed? How coal is formed? How coal is formed? Coal is basically formed from the decomposition of plant dead matter. Okay, plant matter. It is from plant matter. Please don't forget the term plant matter. Okay, so if this particular chapter has been deleted from your school, don't worry, you can go for the next chapter. Okay, don't leave the session, simply listen to it. We have random questions mixed up. Okay, so now look at this. So here the coal is going to get formed. So this has certain conditions. What are they? At what condition coal will be formed? It needs high temperature and low pressure? No, this is actually wrong. Okay, so let me try. Moyo. Screen is off again. Don't worry, okay? This will be back in a few minutes. So I am just trying my best to make it back. Okay. So don't worry, this will be back, and sorry for the technical glitch. Okay, this will be on in few minutes. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, so please wait for a moment and don't leave the class. Okay, don't leave the class. I kindly request everyone to be very active in the part. Okay, so please. So we are facing a small technical glitch here. So this will be rectified in a few minutes. Okay, yes. Oh, okay, Ishita, you had exam yesterday and you came up with this question. Okay. So that is what I told you. You can get these kind of questions for sure. Okay. So Ishita itself has proved it. Okay. Ishita itself has proven it that she got this particular question in her exam. So similarly, you can go through these kind of questions so that you will get good marks. You can expect these questions in your exams for sure. Got it? Moyo. Yeah. Adil. Okay, so this will take a single moment, okay? This will take a single moment to get it back. So don't worry, okay? Yes, okay. Chintapak tum. Yes. I am trapped right now. Okay, yes. Okay, so by the time we can have for a very small casual talk. Yes. So let me know which is the most important, or what do you think about the most important thing that you learn in your life? Let me know. A very important life lesson. What it needs to be. Let me know. Most important thing, genuinity, or hi Rakhuvar. Yes, Rakhuvar Tori. Hi, how are you? I hope you're doing well today. Okay, so don't worry, we will be back in few minutes. Okay, I'm just taking it again. Don't worry at all. Okay, I hope you're clear. Till the point. Yeah, exactly, Ishita. You are with me, but my screen is not with me. What to do? Yes, Rakhuvar is saying that I learned to help every human. Oh, give him a great applause. Great round of applause. Very good. So he is saying that the life lesson he learned is nothing but to help everyone. Very good. Yes, okay, yes. Pata nahi. It's okay. Don't worry. Okay? Yes, background sound is in video, like people watch. Shall we move on? Okay. So I'm going to take back the question. Okay. Yes, this is a question. So find the necessary condition for the coal formation. So coal needs to be formed, right? So if the coal needs to be formed, there must be some certain conditions. High temperature and low pressure. Is it so? No, this is not the condition, right? So we know that coal has to be formed naturally and it takes millions of years, right? So it needs certain conditions, but not this one. Low temperature and high pressure. No way. What about the third one? Low temperature and low pressure. Again wrong. What is the right condition? Low temperature and low pressure is also wrong. The right answer is high temperature, high pressure. Okay? Both are high. Okay? Temperature high, pressure high. Both are high, coal will be formed. But it takes millions of years to form. Clear? Okay, yes. Atul is not getting the point. So don't worry. Okay, if you find any kind of doubts, do let me know. Okay, so I hope you're clear. Okay, so Atul is spamming. Okay, so Atul, I kindly request you not to spam the chat. You can answer it. You can be participative in the session and try to be as interactive as possible. But don't try to spam the chat. Okay, yes. Okay, so now look at this one. Write the importance of protected areas. Oh my God, that's an important question, right? Protected areas. You might have heard a lot of things about protected areas. So what are these? Please let me know. Protected areas. So we need to protect all the plants and animals, right? So similar to humans, plants and animals also have the right to live in the planet Earth, right? They also have the right to live on the planet Earth. So that is what the reason we need to save them. We need to conserve them. So look at this. To protect flora and fauna. So flora and fauna. What is flora? Flora means plants. Please understand, flora means plants. Similarly, what is fauna? Fauna means animals. Okay, please don't get confused with the terms flora and fauna, plants and animals. We need to conserve them. We need to protect them. That is why we have different protected areas. Got it? So look at it. To protect flora and fauna, government has protected areas such as national park, wildlife sanctuaries and biosphere reserves. Please understand, it's a very, very important question. It's sure short question. Okay, you will definitely get this question for sure. So please understand, this is nothing but the protected areas. So protected areas are nothing but the places which conserve plants and animals. First one, wildlife sanctuary. Second one, national park. Third one, biosphere reserve. Clear? Best explanation. Wonderful. Very good. Thank you so much, Science Tech Builder. Thank you so much for the wonderful responses. Shall we move on? So what is the example? They have not asked us to write the example, but still we are writing it, okay, to support the answer. So what is it? Jim Corbett National Park. This is nothing but an example. So wherever you can put examples, you can definitely put it out. Okay. Okay, so I will explain you biosphere. So biosphere reserves. So we know that there are many animals in the planet Earth, right? There are many animals on the planet Earth. But there are certain types of animals are getting reduction in the population. For example, Bengal tiger. Okay, so we have very less number of Bengal tigers in India. Why? Because they are getting reduced in population. Okay, they are being hunted, they are being poached. That is what the reason number of Bengal tigers are decreasing. Got it? So there are certain areas where we can protect these kind of endangered animals or endangered species. Endangered means they are at the risk of extinct. Okay, their number is very, very less. Okay, so to protect them, we have some protected areas such as biosphere reserves. Got it? Clear? Okay, so protected areas like national park, wildlife sanctuaries are vital for conserving the biodiversity and preventing extinction and maintaining ecological balance. And they protect endangered species. Yes, exactly. Abhijit, Abhit, very good. Yes, Gaurav, very good. Ishita, ma'am, in my exam there was a question, and what is national park? National park is also a protected area. Okay, but human activities are not allowed there. No humans can enter and do whatever they want. They cannot do that. National parks are protected areas where human activities are restricted. Clear? Nice explanation. Very good. Thank you so much. You clear all my doubts. Very good, very good, very good. I'm here to help you out. Yes. Okay, Aryan, I'm from class 10. I'm very happy for revising this. Okay, I'm extremely happy that Aryan has joined now. Aryan, you can participate in the session. We are just going through all the questions. Sure shot, most expected questions. So you can definitely be joined here. Okay. For Aishwarya, ma'am, please. Thumbs up. Okay, that would be a great gesture then. Science Tech Builder, thank you so much for giving such a great thumbs up for me. That's a great thing. Yes. Gaurav, Kanya National Park. Okay, very good. Wonderful answers. Shall we move on? Shall we move on? So now, which is the main reason for drought? Again, it's going to be a 1 mark question. Look at it. It's going to be a 1 mark question. So, which is the main reason for drought? What is meant by drought? Drought. What it is? Drought is nothing but the dry condition of an area. If a land gets dry, if there is no water, if there is no vegetation, if the vegetation is very, very less, if there are lot of cracks in between the land, then you can say the place is actually suffering from drought. Right? So what is the basic reason behind it? What about the first one? Reduction in carbon dioxide. Is it the reason? Reduction in carbon dioxide. If carbon dioxide reduced, what will happen? What will happen? More rain will be getting. If you have more rain, no drought, right? So this is not the reason for sure. Correct? Yes. Please answer students. So we have only 3 options left. You can definitely try. It's okay. If it is wrong, I will help you out. Okay? Yeah. What about the second one? Less rainfall. Is it the reason? Yes, if the place has no rain or if the place is actually facing from less rainfall part, then definitely this place can go dry. Correct? So this can be definitely a good answer. Correct? Let's check for other answers too. Melting of ice caps. If ice caps melt, what will happen? Oh, the area will be flooded. More and more water will be there. So this is also not the answer. What is meant by afforestation? Afforestation means you are making a place into a forest. You are planting more and more trees. That's called afforestation, planting more and more trees, and so that you are making a place into a place where a lot of trees and plants are available. Clear? So this is also not the answer. What is the right answer? Less rainfall. So if a place gets dry, or if a place is actually becoming or facing drought, we can say that it's nothing but because of the less rainfall they get. Clear? Any doubts? If you are clear, just give me a thumbs up then. Just give me a thumbs up. If you are clear, just give me a thumbs up. Are you liking the session? Are you liking the session, students? Let me know. I need all my students to be actively participative in the session. Actively participating in the session. Let me know. Thumbs up. Okay, Aryan is giving me thumbs up. Wonderful. Very good. What about others? What about others? Everybody liking it or not? Let me know. I'm waiting for your amazing responses to get. Let me know. Let me know. How is it? Yes. Okay. Wonderful. 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 Shall we move on? So, Amrita, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Gaurav. Okay. So, now we are moving towards true or false. But look at the marks here. Very easy to get 5 marks, right? If you get 5 answers right, you will get 5 marks. Simple. Shall we move on? Yes. So, look at it. Bacteria are unicellular prokaryotic microbes. Oh, a lot of details are there, right? Yes. So, look at it. Bacteria. So, bacteria is a microbe. So, we know that yes, it is a microbe. And what about unicellular? It has only one cell. Unicellular prokaryotic microbe. Is it true? True or false? Let me know. Is it true or a false statement? Let me know. Ma'am, child voice. I will do. Don't worry. Okay? I will do. Yes. So, what is it? Is it a true or false? So, could you please let me know which statement is actually true here? Which is actually true? True one. Yes. Yes, this is a true statement. Wonderful. Yes. True statement. Very good. Yes. What about the next one? Fungi is multicellular or mushroom is one of them. Oh, so look at the keywords again. Fungi is multicellular. Is it so? Fungi has lot of cells. Multicellular means a lot of cells. Yes, it has lot of cells, right? Yes. So, fungi has a lot of cells and mushroom is an example of them. Oh, is mushroom a fungi, not a plant? What do you think about it? Let me know. Is mushroom a fungi? Is mushroom a fungi? Let me know. Yes, very good. Correct. Mushroom is fungi only. So, this is also a true statement. Okay, this is also true. Correct. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay, yes. Okay, so shall we move on? So I kindly request everyone to maintain the decorum in the chat box because I am liking all my students, okay? I like all my students. I like how you respond and how you are giving the messages. But please don't spam the chat, okay? Try to be very, very good in the chat part, okay? Shall we move on? Yes, it is true, okay? Second statement is also true. Viruses can replicate without host cell. Viruses can replicate without host cell. What is meant by replication? They are making more and more and more and more viruses. That is what the replication is. Okay. So, it is saying that viruses can replicate without host cell. Host cell means there must be a living cell. Okay. Viruses can replicate only when there is a host cell. Okay. So, you might have heard about coronavirus. Okay. Coronavirus needs to get a human body to replicate more. Okay. Otherwise, it's dead. It's inactive. Got it? So, similarly, without a host cell, is it possible? No. Clear? Okay. So, now look at it. You can see that this is a false statement. Okay. This is a false one. Why? Because viruses can replicate with host cell only, not without. Clear? Clear? So, Gaurav and Amrita, I kindly request both of you to maintain a decorum in the class. Okay. Both of you are good students, I know. Okay, both of you are so good. Okay, got it? Clear? Okay. So, now we are moving towards next one. Okay, so vaccines are made for bacterial diseases. Oh, you know about vaccines, right? Vaccines. Oh, during the time of pandemic, during the time of COVID, we took a lot of vaccinations, right? So, what about this one, vaccines? Vaccines are made for bacterial diseases or not? No. So corona, okay, during corona we used to take a lot of vaccinations. Vaccination number 1, vaccination number 2, booster dose, correct. So these are vaccines. So is it for bacterial disease? No, it's not for bacteria, because COVID is actually a viral disease. Corona is a viral disease, correct. So vaccines are basically for viral diseases, not for bacteria. Okay, so vaccinations are made for bacterial diseases. That is what the statement is. But this is wrong. It's for viral diseases. So this is a false statement. Okay, got it? And I saw that, ma'am, you're teaching very nice. I just had my half yearly and preparing, and if you carry on the wonderful session, signing off. Okay, Aryan, thank you so much, and I am extremely happy with your message. Okay, yes. Okay, so I kindly request everyone. Okay, Amrita. Yes, very good, Gaurav. Please be friends always, okay? Please be friends always, okay? I know my students, how beautiful you are, how sweet all of you are, okay? So try to be very good always, okay? Yes, shall we move on? Shall we move on? Aryan, I'm extremely thankful for your message, and I kindly request to be participative in the next questions as well. Shall we move on? Shall we move on? Yes. So now we are moving towards the next one. Antibiotics target viruses and not bacteria. Antibiotics. Antibiotics target viruses and not bacteria, it seems. Is it so? Let me know this is true or false. This is true or false? Please let me know, is this true or false? Antibiotics target viruses and not bacteria. What do you think about it? Let it be wrong. Let it be wrong. No issues. I will try my best to make you understand. Yes? Let me know. False? So antibiotics are basically for bacteria. They target bacteria, not viruses. This is wrong. Okay. So here you have to say this is a false statement again. Okay. Antibiotics target bacteria, not viruses. Clear? Okay. So I hope everyone is clear. Just give me a great thumbs up if you're clear. If you're clear, let me know. Just give me a thumbs up in the chat box. Comment box, please. True? Okay. Shall we move on? So you got 5 marks so easily, right? Shall we move on? Okay. So now look at this one. Write a short note on carbonization. Again, we got a question which is of a descriptive nature, right? Write a short note on carbonization. Here, don't write KGF story. Don't write Bahubali story. Don't write that. Okay? So instead, be very, very crisp with the answer and try to put it as these points. Okay? You can write the very, very relevant points as answers. No need to write the whole story. Okay? Got it? Shall we move on? Yes. So what is the carbonization? Carbonization is nothing but heating of coal. Look at it. These are the important keywords. Heating of coal in the absence of air. Very important. In the absence of air is known as carbonization. We are heating the coal in the absence of air. There is no air. Okay. In the absence of air, we are heating the coal. So this process can be called it as carbonization. Clear? Any doubts? If you have any kind of doubts, do let me know. Are you clear with the first point? So this is the first point. What about the second point? The method used for carbonization is known as destructive distillation. Look at it, very, very important. Carbonization is heating the coal in the absence of air. That is a process. But there must be a method used for it. There must be a method for the carbonization. That is nothing but the destructive distillation. Look at it. Heating of coal is carbonization. Method used for carbonization is destructive distillation. Clear? I hope you are clear. Are you able to understand the differences between them? Okay. So now, what are the products will be formed? Coal gas, coal tar and coke. These are produced in the process. Okay. I hope you are clear. Any doubts? If you have any kind of doubts, do let me know. Any doubts? You can also try to share it with your friends. Okay, you can also try to share it with your friends. They can also get benefits out of this class, and please like, share and subscribe the channel. Okay, please don't forget to do that. Shall we move on? Shall we move on? Ma'am, repeat. Sure. Here we are going to talk about carbonization. So what does mean by carbonization? We have coal, right? Coal. Coal is nothing but the one, a fossil fuel, can be formed from the decomposition of dead plant matter, coal. Okay, so this coal can be heated. Got it? So, but heating has to be done in the absence of air. Look at it. It must be happening in the absence of air. So, this can be called it as carbonization. But this carbonization has a method. There is a way to do this carbonization. So, that is known as destructive distillation. Look at it. The method used for carbonization can be called it as destructive distillation. Clear? And there are mainly three products will be formed. Coal gas, coal tar and coke. Clear with the point? Any doubts? Atul, are you clear? Kiran Singh, let's crack it. Gaurav, very good. Okay. What about others? Everyone, try to be active. Try to be active. Spam the chat. Okay. Spam the chat box. I'm getting very less responses right now. Yes. Okay. Clear? Shall we move on? So it's a very easy question. You will get 2 marks simply like that. Okay. Very simple. Very easy. Clear? Shall we move on? Okay. So now we are moving towards the next question. Look at it. Which of the following is refined from crude oil? Oh, what is crude oil? What is crude oil? Clear. Okay. What is crude oil? Crude oil and petroleum are same. Do you agree with this? Do you agree with this? Let me know. Yes, ammonia liquor also will be formed. Exactly. In the previous question, along with coke, coal tar and coal gas, ammonia liquor also will be formed. But majorly added components I have listed out there. Clear? Thank you for the answer, Atul. Thank you so much. Yes. What about this one? Which of the following is refined from crude oil? So, crude oil and petroleum both are same. Okay, don't get confused. It's not petrol, petroleum. Okay, petroleum and crude oil both are almost same. Okay, but when you refine it, you will get something out of it. So, let me know which is that. A or B or C or D. What is the right answer? It's not petroleum. Amrita, please try to check your spellings. It's petroleum. Okay, petroleum. I will write it for you. Okay, petroleum. This is the spelling. Petroleum. Clear? Okay, so what's the right answer? Amrita has answered. Very good. What about others? Kiran Singh, Gaurav, Atul. Let me know what is the answer. Everyone, please answer. I'm not getting responses. I need my students to be active. Let me know. Please let me know what is the answer. Okay, Ishita, very good. Very good, Ishita. Why are you not active in the part? You have to give answers, okay, Ishita? I know how beautiful you are. So you have to give the answers. Okay? Paraffin wax. Very good. Okay. So I can see Gaurav answered, Atul answered, Amrita answered. What about others? Everyone please answer. Kiran, very good. Yes, wonderful. Shall we move on? Is it coal gas? No, coal gas is formed from coal, not from crude oil. Right. What about coke? Coke also formed from coal. So this is also not the answer. What about coal tar? Coal tar is also formed from coal only, not from crude oil. So paraffin wax is nothing but the one you get from the crude oil or from the petroleum. Clear? Okay, Ishita. Thank you so much. Very good. I'm extremely happy for your message, Ishita. I'm extremely happy today. Okay? So you made my day. You made my today. Josh level. Yes. Shall we move on? So you will get 1 mark so easily. Very easy, very simple, very super simple question. Right? Shall we move on? Okay. So now look at this one. Match the following again. Very important. And this question can be a little confusing, but you can definitely expect this question in your exam. Okay, shall we find out? Active. Okay. So now look at the first one is tuberculosis. Can also be called as TB. Okay, tuberculosis. So tuberculosis is nothing but is caused by a certain pathogen. Pathogen means disease causing microorganism. Okay, so microorganisms can be harmful to us sometimes. Certain microorganisms are harmful to us. So these microorganisms can make some diseases in our body. So tuberculosis is one of them. So which one it is? Ishita, thank you so much, ma'am. You made my day. Okay, thank you so much, Ishita. You also have made my day. Thank you so much. And to find it out, tuberculosis. Tuberculosis has to be matched. Which particular microorganism is causing tuberculosis? Find out. Please find out. It's your time. It's your time. Please be hurry. Please be hurry. Find out the answers. Ma'am, actually, I have never got so much appreciation in my life. Oh my God. Oh, that's okay, Ishita. Okay? I am here to appreciate you. Don't worry at all. You are such a beautiful one. Okay? Nothing to worry about. Okay? I am here to appreciate you. Got it? Ishita here? You're a wonderful student. Okay? Yes. So now look at it. Tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is caused by? I'm not getting any answers. Let me know. Gaurav, Ishita, let me know. Kiran Singh, Amrita, please answer. Please answer. Please answer. What is the right answer? Let me know. Yes, tuberculosis has to be connected with Mycobacterium tuberculosis. From the name itself, we can understand that it is a bacteria and this is causing a disease called tuberculosis. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Clear? Gaurav is saying that my handwriting is very bad, so I got less marks. Nothing to worry, we can improve it. Okay? So you just practice it every day. Try to make your letters a bit more beautiful every day. You will get good at handwriting. No issues at all. Okay? Even if your handwriting is bad, no worries. Okay? No worries at all. Okay? If your academic part is correct, nothing to worry. Got it? Okay, not clear, not clear. Okay. So I will explain you. Don't worry. Okay? I will explain to you one more time. Okay. So look at this one. Tuberculosis is a disease. Okay? This can be found in humans. This can be a disease found in humans. Tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is caused by a microorganism. Okay? So which microorganism causes this particular disease? That's what the question. Clear? I hope you're clear with the question. Tuberculosis is a disease caused by a microorganism. So which microorganism causes this disease? That is what the question. Clear? I hope you are clear, Amrita. Atul, please answer. So tuberculosis is caused by a bacteria called Mycobacterium. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is the bacteria which cause tuberculosis in our body. Clear? Clear? I hope you are clear. Any doubts? No doubts, right? Shall we move on? Okay. So now look at it. Chicken pox. Oh, that's so painful, right? You will get a lot of red bumps on your body. That's called chicken pox. So chicken pox is also caused by a microorganism. Which microorganism it is? Let me know. Gaurav, you made my school. You made my school life. Okay, so Gaurav, thank you so much for letting me know. Yes, I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. I'm extremely happy that I got some wonderful set of students. And I'm blessed to have these kind of students in my life. Yes. Okay. Everyone, please be active. Please be active. Get me the answers. Get me the answers, please. Let me know. Let me know what is the right answer. Tuberculosis, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. What about chicken pox? Chicken pox is caused by a virus. So this must be connected with Varicella zoster virus. Please don't forget the name, very, very important. Varicella zoster virus, which is causing chicken pox. You will get a lot of red bumps on your body, very, very painful. And it is contagious too. That means it can spread from one person to another. Clear? Thanks. Okay, Amrita. What about polio? Polio. Polio is also a viral disease. So this will be actually caused by polio virus. Okay, please write it down. This is a very important question. You can expect this question in your exam for sure. Okay? Yes. So, thank you so much, Abhijit. You got the point, I guess. And now it's cholera. Okay, now we are going to talk about cholera. So, cholera will be caused by which pathogen? Which pathogen causes cholera? Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae. Look at this. Vibrio cholerae. Then from the name itself, it's very easy to understand. Clear? Exactly. Polio, polio virus. Similarly, this one, cholera, Vibrio cholerae. Clear? Okay. What about next one? Hepatitis B. Hepatitis B, yellow fever. Okay, hepatitis B will be also caused by a virus. So the name is hepatitis B virus. Clear? Any doubts? Shall we move on? Malaria. Malaria is caused by a plasmodium. Oh my God. I will just join once again. Don't worry. Okay. So cholera is caused by this. Tuberculosis is caused by Microbacterium tuberculosis. Hepatitis is caused by hepatitis B virus. Polio is caused by polio virus. And malaria is caused by plasmodium. Clear? I hope you are clear with the answers. Any doubts? If you have any kind of doubts, do let me know. Okay, so you can simply score 3 marks. Okay, this is going to be a tough question, but please don't forget to write down this question here. Clear? It's not Fibrio, it is Vibrio, V. Gaurav, it is V, Vibrio cholerae. It's not Fibrio. Clear? Okay, so shall we move on? Okay, so now look at this one. Give the differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So whenever you get a question to differentiate something, don't go for KGF stories. Okay, again, okay, don't go for KGF stories. Don't write Bahubali story in a single page. Don't do that. Okay, make a proper column so that you will be able to differentiate it properly. All the points will be clearly visible to the teacher. So the teacher will put the mark like that. Got the point? Clear? Shall we move on? Okay. So now look at it. Aerobic respiration. So what is meant by aerobic? Aerobic means it needs the presence of air. Okay, that's the way you need to think. Aerobic means it needs air. That means oxygen is necessary. Okay, so respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen. Look at it. We need oxygen for this particular respiration to happen. Got the point? Clear? Similarly, glucose breakdown into carbon dioxide, water and energy. So in aerobic respiration, respiration is happening in the presence of oxygen and glucose breaks down into carbon dioxide, water, energy. So what is respiration? Breaking down of nutrients. But this is happening in the presence of oxygen. And what are the products formed? Carbon dioxide, water and energy. Done. Clear? Yes, don't write Bahubali story at all. Okay, don't do that. Write it very concise like this. Okay, so that the teacher will put mark like this. Got it? Okay, we should not make them know to look at our paper. That's not the way. Okay, we always have to make them to look at the paper and do the marks. Got the point? Okay, so now look at this one. Respiration occurs in the absence of oxygen. Very simple. Anaerobic, no oxygen. Okay, anaerobic means no oxygen required. No oxygen is important here. Clear? So, no oxygen is required. So, this is happening in the absence of oxygen. Clear? So, what is respiration? Breaking down of nutrients. But this is happening in the absence of oxygen. So, what happens? Glucose break down into alcohol, carbon dioxide and energy. Look at this, the products are different here. In anaerobic respiration, glucose is breaking down into carbon dioxide. That's what the first one. Carbon dioxide, then the second one is going to be alcohol. Third one is going to be energy. Got the point? Clear? Aerobic respiration can happen in the human body itself. That is example. Got it? Okay, Aryan, thank you so much. I'm happy that you are back here. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Be participative in the session. I'm happy to help you out. Okay, so look at it. This can be glucose breakdown into alcohol, carbon dioxide and energy. Clear? Any doubts? If you have any kind of doubts, do let me know. Aerobic respiration can happen in human body itself. Clear? Any doubts? Anaerobic respiration can happen in yeast cell. Okay, we make it for our cakes, bread and for dough and all we put yeast, right? Unicellular organisms. So they actually respire anaerobically. So anaerobic respiration example is yeast. Aerobic respiration example is human body cell. Clear? I hope you're clear. No doubt. Very good, Kiran. Very good. Everybody, please respond. Please respond. I need all my students to be extremely active in the session. Let me know. Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? Shall we move on? So we got 2 marks simply like that. Okay, now we are going to change the strategy. We are going to make the teacher to put the mark somehow. Because that's the way we constructed the answers. Clear? Crystal clear. Okay, okay, Amrita. Okay, so now look at this one. Again, differences between endangered and extinct species. Here also you are not supposed to write the Bahubali story. Don't do that. Okay? Don't write Bahubali story. Don't write KGF 2 story. Don't do that. Okay? Don't write it like story in a single page. That's not the way. You have to simply differentiate them and your marks will be there. Clear? Water break. Okay, we'll take the water break right after this question. Okay, sure. Okay, once we complete with this question, I will give you the break. Got it? Yeah. So, endangered species. What is meant by endangered? Endanger means they are in danger. Okay, remember that. They are in danger. Endangered means they are in danger. That means their number is very, very less. Okay, in future, they may go extinct. There is a possibility that they may go extinct if we don't take care of them. Got it? Clear? Okay. So, these species are at risk of becoming extinct due to rapid decrease in population. So, their population is decreasing. Endangered species are nothing but the animals or organisms that are at the risk of extinct. Their population is very less. They may go extinct or they may get wiped out from the planet Earth in upcoming years. But they are very less in number right now. Got it? Clear? Yes. So, example can be Bengal tiger. Okay? They are very less in population. Okay? So, they are at risk. Endanger means they are in danger. Think about that. Okay? Similarly, extinct. Extinct means they are not on planet Earth right now. Okay? Their population is over. Not even a single piece is available. Not even a single organism is available on planet Earth right now. So, dinosaurs. So, we heard about stories of dinosaurs, right? But we know that there were dinosaurs before, but now we don't have even a single one. Correct? So, these are known as extinct species. These species are no longer existing on the planet Earth. We don't have even a single organism on the planet Earth. But these were there before. Got the point? Clear? Okay, so Aryan is asking, this is geography or science? This is science only. This is science. Okay? So, this is from the chapter Conservation of Plants and Animals. Okay. Fabulous explanation. Okay, very good. Thank you so much, Soumya. I can't control my laugh, man. Aryan. This is science only, okay? This is science. Geography is also science. But this is basically from the conservation of plants and animals. Okay? Yes. So, now it's your water break. It's your water break right now. We have only very few questions left. So, nothing to worry about. Okay, such a fabulous weekend. Okay, so let me know. Let's have a talk for some time so that we will be able to go through it really well. Yes. Yes, let me know. So, which is your favorite food item? That's where we always start our sessions. Ma'am, drink water, you would feel hungry. Thirsty. Now I forgot my water bottle to bring. Okay, so it's okay anyway. Okay. So, that's what I am going to do now. I am not going to have some water right now because I forgot to take my bottle. Okay. So, don't worry. So, you can also take some small break. Okay. You can have snacks. By the time I will talk to you. Don't worry. Okay. Yes. Okay. So, let me ask you that. Which is your favorite food item? Let me know. Favorite food item. Ma'am, this will help in the future of the students in the science field. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Yes, Aryan. Yes, definitely. Definitely. This will definitely help. Yes. Okay, yes. Food my mom cooks is my favorite one. Okay, great. Superb. Yes, okay. So, could you please let me know your favorite subject? Your favorite subject. So, easy one. Easy one. Child voice. Yeah, sure. I will definitely ask you. I will definitely ask you to do so. Okay. I think I have a lot of child voice fans here. Because everybody is just asking for that. Okay. Yes, so that's how it is. So here I am going to just make you sure that we are going to take a little more questions, and so that we will be able to finish it really well. Okay, yes, take mine. Yes, Ishita. Yes, we are having Kumar Bhaiya's class at 7:30 p.m. Yes, Sittu Singh, we do have. Yes. Okay, shall we move on? Oh, no, Gaurav, you you can also drink some water. No issues at all. Yes. But I have a non-species, do not come in higher studies. No, if you are actually taking in that particular part, you will get it for sure. Okay, so now we are moving towards the next one. Look at this one. How coal is formed and how petroleum is different from coal. Again, differentiating. Don't go for Bahubali, don't go for KGF 2. Okay, write simply like this. Got it? So now, favorite subject is physics. Mine is also physics. Okay, my favorite subject is physics. Okay, so now coal formation. So how coal is formed? Coal is a fossil fuel formed due to the decomposition of dead plant matter. So dead plant matter is undergoing decomposition. So coal is formed and it is forming in the deeper parts of earth. Don't forget that. Okay, it is forming in the deeper part of earth and it needs high temperature. We already know that. It needs high pressure too, and this will be taking millions of years to form. That is what the reason we cannot make coal in labs. We cannot make it in a laboratory, right? Because it needs to be formed naturally in laboratories. Got it? So this is all about coal formation. Got the point? Ma'am, here is a quiz for you. Class, you close your eyes and say the name of the students till you remember. Yeah, definitely, Ishita. I will do it by the end of the session. Don't worry. Okay? Yes. So petroleum formation. So petroleum or crude oil, both are basically same. Okay. So this is also a fossil fuel and this formed due to the decomposition of dead marine organisms. Look at the difference. Coal is formed from the plant matter, whereas the petroleum is formed from the marine organisms. Okay. Decomposition of marine organism, and this also need high temperature and high pressure condition, and this also has to be formed naturally by millions of years. It cannot be made in a 1 day or 2 days or 3 days or something like that. We cannot make it. Clear? Clear with the point? Any doubts? Okay, so that's all about this one. So again we got 2 marks here. So now look at this one. Write a short note on anaerobic respiration occurs in muscle cells. Again, very, very important. So we have to make it as points. Respiration occurs in the absence of oxygen. So in our muscle cells, in human body itself, there are sometimes anaerobic respiration happens. When? That's what we are going to learn now. During heavy exercise, when you run, when you try to work in our gym. So when you try to work it out in a gym, or if you run, or if you do some heavy exercises, what do? You need more oxygen. Okay, human muscle cells need more energy and more oxygen. But at that point, so we know that at that point we will not be getting the right amount of oxygen in our body. So what does our human cell do? This will shift directly into anaerobic respiration. Human cells will automatically shift into anaerobic respiration. Got it? And what happens? Partial breakdown of glucose occurs. Partial breakdown of glucose occurs. Then this can be leading to the formation of lactic acid and energy. So accumulation of lactic acid on the body which causes what? Muscle cramps. Got the point? Clear? I have no idea, Gaurav. I have no idea about it. Sameer, welcome to the session. Ma'am, do you know Prashant Kirat? He's a fantastic teacher of science. Yeah, sure. I will definitely check it out. Okay. Yes, Sahan. Sananda sa. Sameer, very good. Welcome to the session. Okay. We are just doing the questions here. Okay. So that's what about it. It's going to be a 3-mark question. And now, sample paper 2. That is what we are going to do now. Very, very simple one. What is the importance of plow in agriculture practices? Again, 1-mark question. So in agriculture practices also we have to make sure that what is the importance of plow? What is the importance? We already discussed that. What is it? What is it? It's just to prepare the soil, right? So it is just to prepare the soil. So loosening the soil is the right answer. Okay? Not the adding manure, not sowing the seeds, not for giving the water supply. Got the point? Clear? It's only for loosening the soil. So now we got the 1 mark. And now, match the following. Very, very simple one. Citrus canker is a disease which is caused by a bacteria. This could be a doubtful question for you. So I will match it for you. Okay. So rust of wheat, which is going to be a fungal disease only, and yellow mosaic will be a viral disease. This will be found mainly in lady's finger. Okay? Sit, I don't know. I know only Aishwarya ma'am and Reena ma'am. They are the best teachers. Okay, Sittu Singh. There are many teachers in the world. And my God, this is totally geography. No, not totally geography. We do have others too. So now muscle cramps. Muscle cramps is basically due to, just now we discussed it. Let me know. Muscle cramps is basically due to anaerobic respiration. Correct. And yeast is actually, yeast, where do we use it? Yeast is actually unicellular in nature. What about fermentation? This can be used for dough making of dosa. Correct. And what about sodium metabisulfate? This is a chemical preservative. Similarly, vinegar is going to be a pickle preservation. Clear? Any doubts, Samir Patel? Okay. I hope you are clear with the parts. Clear with the question? Shall we move on? Okay. So petroleum is a mixture made out of petroleum. Petroleum is made out of, please think about it, hydrogen and carbon. Hydrocarbons. Very simple. Okay, hydrogen and carbon. Hydrocarbons. So this is the right answer. Not this one, not this one, and not this one. Petroleum is made out of hydrocarbons. Similarly, what are agriculture practices? Very simple one. Again, a 2-mark question. So agriculture practices are nothing but the steps to be followed to raise crops and obtain healthy yield. If you want to get healthy yield, there are certain steps have to be followed. What are they? Let's write down the points. Look at it. Soil preparation or plowing. Then sowing. We are inserting the seeds into the soil. Manure addition. We are putting nutrients. Irrigation. We are supplying the water. Then we are weeding. We are just plucking out all the unnecessary plants. That's called weeding. Harvesting, and finally we are going to store in the granaries. Clear? Clear with the point? Yes. And now we are moving towards fill in the blanks. Formation of coal is called? What is the formation of coal? It is known as coalification. Okay, this is called coalification. Very important one. Okay. Similarly, fractional distillation of crude oil is based on fractional distillation of crude oil. If you want to refine crude oil, there must be difference in the boiling point. Please don't forget, that is why I am giving you the answers. Difference in boiling point. That means petrol has a boiling point and diesel has a boiling point, and all of these components have different boiling points. Okay? And lowest temperature at which combustible substance catches fire when heated in an air called ignition temperature. Okay, these are very important questions. That is why I am giving you the answer directly. Okay, ignition temperature. Okay, ignition temperature. And combustion in which heat and light are released in short span of time. Immediately it releases heat and light. So this can be called it as rapid combustion. Okay, this is called rapid combustion. Clear? And now we are moving towards the next one. Explain communicable diseases. Communicable means it can spread from one person to another. Okay, like fever. So look at it, but fever is not a disease. This is actually a symptom only. Fever is just a symptom. It's not a disease. Okay, so communicable disease can spread from one individual to other. Okay, and this is mainly through different kinds of modes. So it can be through contact with the blood and bodily fluids. It can be through air droplets when you sneeze. Okay. Similarly, through vectors like mosquitoes, and example can be tuberculosis and malaria. Clear? Ma'am, I have studied from you and class. I got full marks in science and now I am in class 10. Please bless me so that I can also perform well in class 10. And thank you so much for... Okay, Banu, I am extremely happy to see you here. Okay, and thank you so much. And I bless you with all my heart. Okay, you will get everything in your life. Okay, not only in class 10, you will get everything in your life. Okay, you will get utmost success. Okay, and you will get full marks in exams too. Okay, I bless you with my whole heart. Okay. Okay, so now we are moving towards the next one. What are petrochemicals? Very simple. chemicals product derived from petroleum itself. So these are used in the manufacture of detergents, pesticides and paints. Example can be benzene and ethane. So these kind of questions also can be expected. And similarly, true or false, very simple one. Reduction in average temperature of Earth atmosphere is called global warming. Is it reduction? No, this must be rise. Okay, so this is actually when you increase the temperature, global warming will occur. So this is a false statement. Okay, and sulfur dioxide is one of the emissions leads to acid rain. Sulfur dioxide mixes with water to form acid rain. So this is also a true statement. Okay, and unburned carbon particles does not cause asthma. Unburned carbon particles can definitely cause asthma. So this is also a false statement. And middle zone of the flame is super hot and blue in color. Middle zone is actually moderately hot and it is yellow in color, not blue. So this is also a false statement. Clear? Clear? Okay. So now we are moving towards the next one. Why soil preparation is so important? Because plowing is very much important because it can loosen the soil, it can bring the nutrients to the top surface when you plow, and aeration, air gaps will be provided. Clear? I hope you're clear. And now we are moving towards the match the following one. Blue flame part. Blue part is nothing but very hot, and this is the outer zone. Okay. Similarly, moderately hot part can be nothing but the middle one, the middle part of the flame. It is yellow in color. Okay, and black part is going to be the inner part of the flame, and this also has unburned wax vapors. And the blue part is also known as non-luminous. Clear? So this is the way that you need to identify. Okay, so I hope you are clear. So now we are moving towards the last one, find the causes of deforestation. We are cutting down the trees. But why we are cutting the trees? Because for agriculture, for mining, to build houses, for furnitures, because of the forest fires also we are losing lot of trees. Clear? So this is the way you need to answer 2 mark questions. Very simplified. And finally, tick out the terms related to male reproductive part. Sperms, ovary, estrogen. Please answer. Please answer. Male reproductive part. Male reproductive part can be not ovary, not estrogen. It is sperm. Ovary is related to female one. Okay. Similarly, estrogen is also similar to female reproductive part. Fusion of gametes are known as fertilization. Okay. Not transpiration. Transpiration is the loss of water vapor through stomata. It's not respiration. Breaking down of nutrients can be called it as respiration. Okay. So this is also not the answer. So right answer is fertilization. And similarly, tick out the terms related to female reproductive part. Testosterone? No, this is a male related one. This is ovum? Yes. What about uterus? Yes. So these are the 2 parts associated with female reproductive part. Clear? Very good students, very good. And finally, match the following. National park is nothing but the place where the human activities are not allowed. So national park, human activities not allowed. Wildlife sanctuary, human activities are quite allowed. Biosphere reserve, conservation of endangered species. Red data book, and this is basically for recording the endangered species details. And migration to escape from the harsh climate. The birds can migrate from one place to another to get better food, to better climate, right? Yes. Okay. So now we are moving towards the end of the part, and I hope everyone is clear with all the points what we discussed so far. Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts, students? Have you all liked the session today? How was it? How was it, students? I hope everyone is doing well. Have you all liked the session today? So we are coming up with more and more sessions like this. Okay, so schedule is already given in the community post. You can also check out the shorts. Yes, so that's the end of the class, students. I hope everyone liked the session today. If you have liked it, do let me know. Do let me know, Kadia. No doubt, no doubt, no doubt. Okay, no doubts at all. Crystal clear, right? All the topics are crystal clear, right? Now get ready for your exam. Everything is on just point. Thank you, fam, for all the doubts are clear. Okay. So I hope everyone liked the session today. So that's the end of the class. So we'll meet next day with an amazing session similar to this. Till that, have a nice day. Please do teach in class 10. I'm happy to see your message, Bhanu. I'm extremely happy to see that. A good session that ends in a lovely way. Okay, okay, Kedatam. Thank you so much. Thank you. Tomorrow is your Hindi exam. Amrita, well done. Okay, just well done. Just, you were so interactive in the session and all of you were so interactive in the session. And a very good blessing from my side and all the very best to you. You can definitely score good marks. Aryan, hello. You said also. So somebody asked me to close my eyes and find the answers. Okay, so I remember Rabia, Ishita, then what else I remember? I have got a lot of names like Sadhana. Yes, I do remember all the names. Ishita. Then I remember Aryan, Gaurav. Yes, yes. These are the members. These are names which I can remember right now. Aryan I got. Yes, yes, yes. Aryan. Yes, yes, yes. Babuano. Yes. Bye everyone. Bye everyone. Okay, so let's see in the next class. Okay, thank you so much. Love you all and I will see you next class with an amazing session similar to this. Till then, have a nice day and goodbye. Have a good day. Yes. Thank you, Kedat Ahmed. Aryan, thank you so much.